So we all know what a pain it is to get the SWR down on our antennas, going up step ladders, standing on the roof, having someone down adjusting the SWR, etc, etc. So here we've made a device that we can bring the antenna up and down to adjust our SWR. So just keep tuned and we'll show you how we done it. So here it is, we're using it to fine tune the driven element, and we soon discovered you need at least a reflector element there to get the SWR at a reasonable rate. So now we'll get on with it and we'll show you how it actually works. So it's just a matter of grabbing it, tilting it over, gently bracing yourself of course, and just easing it down like that. So now you can go and adjust your antenna, which we are going to do now. Go there, we've got the tools there as well here, and we adjust the antenna, and once you've got all the adjustments right, of course you go back and it's just a matter of tilting it back like this, and that's how it works. And I hope this might help people that have trouble getting the SWR mucking around going up and down ladders. And well, I suppose that's about it.